Hello, dear children. Welcome back in our today's class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing your regular study. Okay, so let me remind you one thing that students, Saturday, Sunday, you have holiday. Yes, and on the other days also, when your science 1 class is not there, that doesn't mean that you don't have to study for that day. ओके सो अगर आपको किसी दिन आपका क्लास नहीं होता है दैट मीन्स यू डोंट गेट एनी ट्यूटोरियल वीडियो येस सो एट दैट टाइम व्हाट हैपन on that day also you have to revise the content okay don't think about that कि आज तो मेरा क्लास नहीं था साइंस 1 नहीं था तो now today for this day I am not going to study for science 1 okay each and every day as I have already told you you have to revise the content okay so as we have finished our 2 chapters that is chapter 1 gravitation and chapter 3 chemical reactions and equations yes so I hope you all are clear with that everything content related to these 2 chapters yes and students chapter number 3 here in that chapter reactions are there equations are there so you have to balance reaction balance करने का you have to practice it okay so whenever you will get time you do that okay don't waste your time yes so with this energy with this exciting weather and with this atmosphere I just wanted to tell you that today onwards we are going to start a new chapter okay and it is related to light it is related to stars and planets then it is related to something kind of reflection and dispersion rainbow so I hope you all guess it right okay so today onwards we are going to see a new chapter that is chapter number 6 refraction of light okay let me tell you this chapter is a very easy chapter already you have learned some content in your earlier standard so let's start with what we have already seen in the earlier standard okay so as this is the basic part of your this chapter so let's start with the reflection of light okay this is not there in your this chapter refraction of light okay but ये आपको कुछ basics content बताएगा so for that this revision is important so students what is reflection of light okay here we are going to take this example for example here you can see when a ray of light fall on a smooth polished surface so here which polished surface we have taken mirror okay this is a smooth polished surface it gets reflect that means it bounces back is called as reflection of light यहाँ पे देखो दिस पिंक रे जो है वो इंसिडेंट हो रही है ये स्मूथ पॉलिश सरफेस के ऊपर एंड दिस ग्रीन रे इट इज़ बाउंसेस बैक ओके ये बैक साइड में रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है so that means what it is not going over here okay it is reflecting back so that is called as reflection of light okay and as I have already told you this ray is called as what this is an incident ray because it is incident upon this surface okay and the ray which reflects back is called as reflected ray yes this is the ray which is reflecting back okay so that is called as which ray reflected ray okay and this is a perpendicular here you can say this is perpendicular which is drawn over here so that is called as what that is called as normal okay already you have learned this but this is just a quick revision okay yes so there are two laws of reflection what is that that is the incident ray this is the incident ray yes and the normal यहाँ पे है normal and reflected ray they are in a same plane that means they are in a same medium Okay, they are not going here and there, but they are in a reflecting surface. Okay, they are reflected back here, the rays reflecting back, it is not going over here. So all these three, they are in the same plane, that means they are in the same medium. Okay, and the second, that is angle of incident. यहाँ पर देखो, this is the incident ray. okay, तो इसका एंगल क्या हो जाएगा, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट. ओके, एंड यहाँ पे देखो, दिस इज द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. यस, तो इसका एंगल कैसा हो जाएगा, रिफ्लेक्टेड एंगल, दैट इज एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. ओके, सो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. ओके, yes, then students, generally the light travels in a straight line. Okay, and because of this, what happens, if an opaque object lies in its path, a shadow of an object is formed. For example, here you can see this is the light, sunlight is there. Okay, and here one person is standing, and here you can see his shadow. Okay, so why you are seeing his shadow, because of this light. Okay, when the person moves from this side to this side. Okay, अगर उन्होंने अपना पोजीशन जो है वो चेंज कर दिया, देन व्हाट हैपन, शैडो जो है वो उनके पीछे फॉर्म हो जाएगा. यस, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द थर्ड, यहाँ पे इन द लास्ट सेंटेंस, दिस शैडो चेंजेस ड्यू टू द चेंजेस इन द रिलेटिव पोजिशन of the surface of light and the object. Obviously, अगर ये this person has changed his position, तो ये shadow का position भी क्या हो जाएगा, it will also change. Okay, yes, so this is about your quick revision. Okay, now actual we are going to start our chapter 6, refraction of light. And here in the very first page you have given two activities. Okay, तो ये activities जो है you can also perform at your home, as I have already performed it. Very easy activities. So what you have to do in a very first activity, what you have to take, you have to take a transparent glass, fill it with water. Okay, यहाँ पर I have taken a transparent glass and I have filled it till here. Okay, now you have to take one pencil also. So dip some portion of a pencil vertically in the water. Yes, I did it. And observe the thickness of portion of the pencil in the water. Okay, so now we are going to observe its thickness. So as you can see students, यहाँ पर जो है, जो पेंसिल का पोर्शन ये पानी के अंदर है. ओके, तो यहाँ पर कैन यू सी इट इज इट्स थिकनेस, ये थोड़ा सा थिक हो गया है पेंसिल. येस, एंड द पेंसिल विच पोर्शन इज अबव द वाटर, ये थिन है. येस, सो दिस इज थिन एंड दिस इज थिक. ओके, I hope that you all are understood about this concept, that there are two medium, that is this is called as air medium. Okay, radon, and this is a denser medium जो है glass. Okay, yes, so here you can see. Okay, so can you see the thickness over here? Yes. So now keep the pencil inclined to the water surface and observe its thickness. Okay, so what we have observed, the portion of the pencil inside the water appears to be thicker than the portion above the water. Yes, we have already observed this. Here we can see the thickness of pencil. Yes, and in the second case, the pencil appears to be broken near the surface of water. Okay, तो यहाँ पर in a second case I have placed pencil like this, but here you can see this broken type of can you see this broken pencil? Yes, but ये जो है ये आपको बाहर से दिखाई देगा. ओके, सच में ये पेंसिल ब्रेक हुआ है क्या? नहीं. ओके, so why you can see this pencil has been broken? Why you can see? This is because of refraction of light. Okay, here you can see if we draw normal over here, okay, we can draw normal over here. This is one medium, that is this is rarer medium, okay, and here this is denser medium. Air is a rarer medium, this is denser medium, okay. We will see it later. Now we will see the second activity. In the second activity, what we have to do, we have to keep a 5 rupee coin in a metallic vessel, okay. We have to take metallic vessel and we have to keep a 5 rupees ka coin in that metallic vessel. Then we have to slowly go away from the vessel. Yes, we have to stop at the place when the coin get disappear, okay. हमें इसी के डायरेक्शन में आगे आगे चलते जाना है एंड वहाँ तक स्टॉप होना है जहाँ तक हमें वो कॉइन जो है वो दिखाई नहीं देगा, ओके. सो कीप लुकिंग इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ कॉइन. आस्क योर फ्रेंड टू फिल वाटर इन दैट वेसल, ओके. Then you will able to see a coin once the level of water reaches a certain height, okay. ये वाले वेसल में पानी नहीं है, but here you can see there is water in this vessel, okay, and here also you can able to see the coin, okay. Yes, so these two activities, they are related to the term called as refraction of light. So actually in a refraction of light, what happens is when a light travels from a rarer medium, that is air, to a denser medium, that is glass, it bends towards the normal, okay. As I have already shown you, it bends towards the normal, okay. This is the normal, okay. Yes, and this bending is due to the refraction of light, okay. जब लाइट जो है वन मीडियम से दूसरी मीडियम तक जाती है तब उसका जो डायरेक्शन है वो चेंज हो जाता है एंड दैट्स वाई इट बेंड्स टूवर्ड्स द नॉर्मल, ओके. सो लाइट चेंजेस इट्स डायरेक्शन व्हेन गोइंग फ्रॉम वन ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडियम to the another transparent medium, okay, and this is called as what, students? This is called as refraction of light, okay. So this diagram is also like this. Here this is air medium, that is rarer medium, and glass, which means what, a denser medium. So when light travel from one medium to the another medium, it bends towards the normal, okay. I hope you all are clear with this. Now refraction of light passing through a glass slab. तो glass slab का आपको activity भी है, वो that activity is very important activity and that we will perform in our lab, okay. But just I'm quickly telling you what you have to do in that activity. So what you have to take, you have to keep a glass slab on a blank paper and draw its outline P, Q, R and S, okay. That we will draw, what we have to draw, P, Q, R, S. After that, what you have to write, you have to draw this incident ray, okay. Incident ray you have to write, and with the help of, फ्रॉम यहाँ से आपको देखना है कि कहाँ पर इंसिडेंट रे है और वहाँ से आपको इमर्जेंट रे, इसको बोलते हैं इमर्जेंट रे, ये रे ड्रॉ करनी है. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस रिफ्रैक्टेड रे विच इज़ अ पिंक कलर रे विच हैज़ बीन शोन ओवर हियर, and then you have to draw this line also. But when we will perform this in our lab, at that time you will understand it very clearly, okay. So as you all are aware about this, that air is which medium, rarer medium, glass is which medium, denser medium, okay. When a light is incident on the surface of glass, perpendicular is drawn and that is called as what, normal, okay. Here it is a normal, you can clearly see over here. अभी जब लाइट जो है वो इंसिडेंट हो जाती है तब वो एंगल को क्या बोलते हैं, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट, ओके. नाउ दिस इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन. व्हेन द रे हैज़ बीन रिफ्रैक्टेड, so that angle is called as angle of refraction. एंड हियर ये जो रे है ये बाहर की तरफ जा रही है. Yes, that means it is emerging. So it is called as what? Emergent ray. Okay, and that angle is called as angle of emergent. Here you can see incident ray. AN is the incident ray. Okay, and M is a refracted ray, and here M here. So NM is a refracted ray, and the last one MD is a emergent ray. Okay. Yes, so this is some basics of this experiment. So first refraction कहाँ पर होता है? Here you can see the first refraction occurs when a light ray enters the glass from air at a point N on the two sides of PQ. तो यहाँ पर है. Okay. Then the second refraction occurs when a light enters the air थ्रू द ग्लास एट पॉइंट M. कहाँ पर है? यहाँ पर. ओके, ऑन द साइड्स ऑफ SR. तो फर्स्ट रिफ्रैक्शन यहाँ पर होता है एंड सेकेंड रिफ्रैक्शन हैपन्स ओवर हियर. ओके, फॉर द फर्स्ट रिफ्रैक्शन एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट इज I. ओके, while for the second refraction angle of incident is I1. Here you can see this is the second refraction और उसका एंगल क्या दिया है? I1. ओके, एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन एट N के जगह पर एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन क्या है? R. ओके, यस, क्लियर विथ दिस? ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट टर्म हियर I1 इज इक्वल टू R. ऐसा क्यों दिया है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर देखो, इन द सेकेंड रिफ्रैक्शन द एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन इज E विच इज इक्वल टू I. यहाँ पर सेकेंड रिफ्रैक्शन होता है. Yes, so angle of refraction क्या है? E, which is equal to I. Okay, this is the first refraction, this is the second refraction, so both will be equal. Okay, then on both side, both parallel side PQ and RS, यहाँ पर देखो PQ है और ये है RS. Okay, of the glass lamp, the change in the direction of light ray is equal. Okay, but is in opposite direction. यहाँ पर you can see this is a straight line, but can you see some opposite direction line over here? ये blue color की line और ये blue color की line, these are the two rays which are opposite to each other. You can clearly see in this picture that this line and this line, that means the two rays, these are opposite to each other in the direction. Okay, yes, then thus the light ray MD from the glass slab is parallel to the incident ray AN. Yes, of course, on the side of PQ. तो ये दोनों जो रे हैं वो एक दूसरे को कैसे हैं? पैरेलल है. दे आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. ओके, yes, then the very important topic, that is laws of refraction. Now we are going to see laws of refraction. ये जो laws है ये थोड़े सेम ही हैं जो हमने रिफ्लेक्शन के laws देखे वही. So students, the light ray entering a glass slab from air is shown in the figure. Yes, so here AN is which ray? Incident ray. And NB is which ray? It is a refracted ray. Okay, this is rarer medium and this is what? A denser medium. Okay, so according to first law, here incident ray, this is the incident ray. Yes, refracted ray, this is the refracted ray. पिंक कलर वाली रे जो है वो रिफ्रैक्टेड है एट अ पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंट एन. एन क्या है? नॉर्मल है. सो दे आर ऑन द अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ द नॉर्मल. येस, तो ये लाइन और ये लाइन दोनों क्या है? डायरेक्शन में अपोजिट है ईच अदर. ओके, एंड नॉर्मल कैसे डिनोट किया है? CD. ठीक है, सो दिस थ्री इंसिडेंट रे, रिफ्रैक्टेड रे एंड द नॉर्मल, दे आर इन अ सेम प्लेन. दे आर इन अ सेम प्लेन मतलब क्या होता है? सो हियर कैन यू सी दिस पिंक कलर वाली रे, ये है रिफ्रैक्टेड रे. तो ये जो है ये इसमें ही ड्रॉ किया है. ये जो रे यहाँ पर जाती है क्या? नहीं, ग्लास स्लैब के बाहर वो नहीं जाती. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? ऑल द थ्री इंसिडेंट रे, नॉर्मल एंड रिफ्रैक्टेड रे वो एक ही पेपर के ऊपर है एक ही पेपर के ऊपर ड्रॉ किया है और उसका एक ही प्लेन है. It cannot go out of the box. Okay, the three rays, they are in a same plane. That means they are in a same paper, they are in a same plane. They can't go out of the box. Okay, like this. ये इंसिडेंट हो गया, so that is okay. बट इसके बाद ये जो रिफ्रैक्टेड है ये आउट नहीं जाएगी. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन. नाउ व्हाट द सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन सेज. सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन उसको हम स्नेल्स लॉ भी बोलते हैं. ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन MCQ टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इट विल डेफिनेटली आस्क. ओके, सो फॉर अ गिवन पेयर ऑफ मीडिया, हियर द टू मीडियम्स आर यूज्ड ओवर हियर, दैट इज इंसिडेंट रे. ये कहाँ पर है, एयर जो है वो कहाँ पर है, रेयर मीडियम है. एंड ग्लास कौन सा मीडियम है, डेंसर मीडियम. द रेशियो ऑफ साइन आई टू द साइन आर इज कॉन्स्टेंट. साइन आई मतलब क्या, आई मतलब क्या बोला है, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस, एंड आर इज व्हाट, एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन. सो दैट इज कांस्टेंट. ओके, सो व्हाट, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट दैट, दैट इज साइन आई, दैट इज एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट, एंड साइन आर क्या है, एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन, दैट इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट. और ये कैसे डिनोट करते हैं, स्मॉल एन. Small n is a symbol of refractive index, okay, of second medium with respect to first medium. मतलब refractive index of glass with respect to water, with respect to air. Okay, not water, glass with respect to air. That means denser medium to the rarer medium. Okay, so what is refractive index, that we are going to see in detail in your next class. Till then, what you have to remember, the two laws of refraction, okay, and the definition of refraction of light, and these two activities which are very easy that we have seen, and that glass lab wala activity, that is very important, that we will perform in lab also, but for now you have to understand it. ठीक है, okay, so go through the content and what you have to do, you have to study. Thank you.